Pickle has two primary quality attributes. First is probably flavor. That can vary from customer to customer. Again, it's primarily a dill product, but some customers have hints of garlic and other spices. Texture is also a very important quality attribute. Prior to Plex, yes, we were strictly a paper-based QA department. So retrieving data was an extremely arduous process that literally involves somebody sitting down with a pile of paperwork and a spreadsheet and manually transferring that information in there to allow you to analyze what you already had sitting on paper. With Plex, yes, it's simply a matter of going into reports, entering your filtering data, hitting search, and you've got what you need in your fingertips within 30 seconds to a minute. At that point, you can download into a spreadsheet if you wish, run statistical reports, run analyses on it, and you can quickly see whether you are heading in the right direction, perhaps not heading in the right direction, and allow you to modify processes or to make a continuous improvement. It's the matter of being able to pull that data out of the system. Okay, you're not relying on gut feel. You're not relying on somebody's snapshot of what is going on any particular day. All right? QA should be a data-driven process. Continuous improvement should be a data-driven process. And having access to that data quickly makes that job a heck of a lot easier.